Today, we're diving deep into 15 assets that have the potential to transform your financial future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your wealth-building journey, these assets offer valuable opportunities for growth and prosperity. From rental real estate to dividend-paying stocks, each asset we'll cover in this video is backed by solid principles and actionable advice. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand language so you can confidently navigate the world of investments. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and build lasting wealth, make sure to watch till the end and hit that subscribe button below for more valuable insights. Let's get started. Number 1. Rental real estate. Like Robert Kiyosaki, who turned a few properties into wealth, rental real estate can be a dependable path to financial success. You buy a property, tenants pay rent, and you earn income effortlessly. It's not about quick flips, but about consistent rental income, with property value growing as housing demand rises. Think of it as nurturing money trees from seeds. You don't need many properties. A few good ones will do. Plus, hiring a property manager can ease your workload. Despite minor challenges like maintenance or tenant issues, rental real estate leads to financial freedom. So envision your real estate empire when you see a "for sale" sign. It's not just shelter. It's the key to your financial goals. Start building your empire today and thank yourself in the future. Number 2. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, is a valuable digital asset offering significant wealth potential. Its market is known for thrilling highs and risky lows, attracting investors seeking lucrative returns. However, entering this world demands thorough research and understanding of blockchain technology. Starting with a small investment is wise to learn market dynamics gradually. Security is crucial. Protecting your digital wallet is essential to safeguard assets. Despite risks, informed decisions and prudent measures can lead to financial success in this digital adventure. Number 3. Local businesses. They are vital assets that greatly contribute to community wealth. Picture strolling through your neighborhood and coming across Alex's Cozy Cafe, a beloved gathering spot. These businesses serve as the heart of the community, akin to vibrant flowers enhancing the area's beauty. Investing in local businesses is like planting seeds of growth in your community. Alex's Bakery, for instance, not only offers delicious treats, but also fosters a sense of unity among locals. Supporting such businesses goes beyond financial gain. It nurtures community cohesion. Local businesses add depth to the community narrative, much like chapters in a beloved book. They create a rich tapestry of experiences, forming the essence of a neighborhood. By investing in these enterprises, you're contributing to a stronger, more interconnected community that thrives on local support. Number 4. Gold and silver. These assets aren't just ornamental. They are formidable tools in the financial arena. Gold, the venerable stalwart, symbolizes stability and endurance, standing firm amidst economic turbulence. Silver, its versatile counterpart, boasts both luster and practical utility, making it a valuable addition to any investment portfolio. In essence, gold and silver epitomize timeless assets that transcend fleeting trends. They offer stability, a proven track record, and a sense of security in uncertain times. Consider them the silent champions of your financial journey, steadfastly adding value while you concentrate on wealth accumulation. Number 5. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer superior interest rates, like VIP versions of regular accounts, quietly growing your wealth. Choosing the right one is crucial, akin to selecting the perfect pair of shoes. Competitive rates, minimal fees, and potential perks are key factors to consider. Keep an eye on fluctuating interest rates and seize favorable opportunities. Despite their legitimacy, high-yield savings accounts carry some investment risk. Approach them with caution and diligence, like crossing a street safely. Essentially, they act as trustworthy sidekicks, steadily growing your money over time. Number 6. Art. Investing in art offers a fresh perspective, shifting from decoration to wealth generation. Private art deals resemble treasure hunts, uncovering emerging artists for value appreciation. Unlike stock monitoring, art investing offers hands-on value creation. Accessible to all, it requires trend awareness and strategic moves, similar to chess. Art investments add flair to portfolios, making wealth building a narrative journey. Keep private art deals in mind for creativity, passion, and potential wealth. Number 7, dividend-paying stocks. Imagine yourself owning a slice of a company. As a token of appreciation for your ownership, they periodically reward you with dividends. Even amidst market fluctuations, some stocks consistently provide this income, akin to receiving a paycheck for merely holding onto your shares. Why should you prioritize dividends? They offer a stable income flow regardless of market volatility. During market downturns, consider it an opportunity to acquire discounted stocks. However, it's essential to consult a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Think of dividends as reliable companions, standing by you through thick and thin. Companies that consistently pay dividends are akin to dependable friends who always remember your birthday. When considering investments, prioritize these dividend-paying stocks, as they can enhance your financial well-being. Number 8, yourself. Amidst various investment opportunities, don't overlook self-investment. Beyond acquiring degrees or certificates, it involves honing your skills and embracing personal growth. As Warren Buffett wisely said, the best investment is in yourself. This principle holds true on the journey to financial prosperity. Imagine your quest for wealth as a treasure hunt, navigating through different investment landscapes. Amidst these ventures, investing in yourself is the hidden gem. Just like a diversified portfolio, your skills and personal development serve as the foundation of your success. Therefore, allocate resources to self-improvement, as it's not merely an investment but a commitment to continuous growth. Remember, the road to wealth begins with investing in the most incredible asset, yourself. Number 9, index funds. Index funds are a key asset for wealth building, offering diversification across various stocks. They spread your investment across major companies, smaller ones, and international options, reducing the risk of relying on any single stock. Essentially, they provide a financial buffet, rather than betting on one dish. By mirroring market indices like the S&P 500, index funds offer a simple way to benefit from overall market growth. They shield investors from the stress of tracking individual stock fluctuations while still enabling them to capitalize on market success. Warren Buffett himself advocates for index funds, praising their low-maintenance, stress-free nature. They provide diversity, simplicity, and a hands-off approach, making them ideal for steady wealth growth. Number 10, business, a realm of incredible potential for wealth. Venturing into business, akin to planting a seed, holds immense wealth potential. Elon Musk exemplifies visionary entrepreneurship, overcoming obstacles with calculated risks and relentless work. His success with Tesla and SpaceX required dedication through thrilling highs and daunting lows. Setbacks offer lessons, successes showcase resilience. Musk's spirit embodies the entrepreneurial journey, inspiring aspiring business owners. Entrepreneurship offers control over destiny, turning passion into profit, mirroring Musk's path. Success demands dedication, hard work, and risk-taking. Following Musk's journey provides guidance in the business landscape. Number 11, property, a pivotal asset with the potential to enhance your wealth. Property is a crucial asset for building wealth, holding untapped financial potential. Effective management and maintenance can steadily increase its value. Small improvements like fresh paint or repairs can enhance both appearance and worth. Beyond being a residence, it's an investment that appreciates over time. Modest upgrades, such as kitchen renovations, yield significant returns. Keeping abreast of local real estate trends aids in strategic decision-making. Landscaping or repurposing rooms can further enhance value. Number 12, the money market account. A money market account is like having a diligent friend who saves every penny, but on a larger scale. It offers a secure place for your funds to grow, providing both stability and interest earnings. Unlike the stock market, it offers a steady journey and easy access to your funds when needed. Choosing the right money market account is essential, much like selecting your favorite ice cream flavor. Look for accounts with competitive interest rates, minimal fees, and other benefits. Ultimately, A money market account is a reliable and low-maintenance way to safeguard your funds, generate extra income, and maintain accessibility. Number 13, education. Education is a key asset for building a brighter future. It's more than just sitting in classrooms. It's about nurturing knowledge and skills that lead to success. When you invest in education, you're essentially planting seeds that grow into valuable opportunities. By investing in courses and skills that interest you, you're depositing into a magic knowledge jar that multiplies over time. This investment opens doors to new possibilities and enhances your career prospects, making you a valuable asset in the job market. Educational investments not only boost professional growth, but also foster personal development. With affordable online resources available, investing in yourself becomes accessible to everyone. Ultimately, it's about sowing the seeds of knowledge, honing your skills, and reaping the rewards in both personal and professional life. Number 14, renewable energy. Renewable energy, like trading a gas-guzzling car for a sleek electric one, is both futuristic and financially savvy. It taps into sources like the sun and wind, offering limitless potential without exhausting finite resources. Visualize solar panels absorbing sunlight and wind turbines capturing breezes, empowering the planet. Financially, investing in renewables is strategic, with the sector booming and opportunities abound. It's akin to riding a gust of wind to financial prosperity. Green initiatives not only bring profits but also combat climate change, a double win for investors. Joining the green revolution is accessible through options like green bonds or investing in solar manufacturers. By backing renewable energy, you're not just earning money, you're supporting a cleaner future. It's a mix of financial gain and environmental stewardship, a boon for savvy investors seeking lasting wealth and positive impact. Number 15. Investing in health and wellness. Envision a world where your financial endeavors align with your physical and mental well-being. By supporting businesses that champion your best self, from fitness centers to creators of your favorite green smoothies, you're investing in your own vitality. Why should you explore the realm of health and wellness investments? Firstly, it's a burgeoning trend. As people increasingly prioritize health consciousness, the market is responding with a myriad of opportunities. These investments extend beyond traditional avenues like gym memberships and supplements. The realm of health technology is ripe with innovation. Diversify your investments across various assets for long-term financial success. Whether it's real estate, cryptocurrency, local businesses, or stocks, each offers unique opportunities. Prioritize self-investment, education, and aligning your finances with your values. Remember, wealth accumulation takes patience and informed decisions. Stay informed, educate yourself, and seek guidance when needed. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on wealth building. Thanks for watching.